Hi everyone! Welcome to this exciting hotel tour vlog where we'll take you on an extraordinary journey through one of the most enchanting accommodations in town. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of comfort and unforgettable experiences. We are now heading to the Eurotel, a 3-star hotel in Angeles City, Pampanga. Let us first take you through the hotel's lobby where the staff will talk to you about your reservation and where you can see the dining area off to the side. After checking in, the staff will give you a checklist regarding your experience at the hotel. We were located on the 5th floor, so we used an elevator. Here's the clip of us walking on the hallway and going through a room. Then here's the room. Upon entering the room, you'll find a well-designed space that combines functionality with a cozy atmosphere. The room is thoughtfully furnished, featuring comfortable bedding including clean sheets, pillows, and a cozy blanket. The decor exudes a warm ambience with tasteful color schemes and artwork that adds a touch of elegance. Soft lighting fixtures create a relaxing atmosphere while curtains or blinds allow guests to adjust the amount of natural light streaming in. The room is equipped with essential amenities to ensure a comfortable stay. You can expect to find a sturdy wooden chair and a small table or desk suitable for catching up on work or enjoying a meal. They also have a hair dryer to meet the needs of the guests who wish to dry their hair quickly and efficiently. A decent-sized wardrobe or closet is available to store belongings and hang clothes.
The private bathroom is clean and well maintained, providing the necessary facilities for personal grooming. It typically includes a sink with a mirror, a toilet with a sanitary seat, and a combined bathtub and shower with hot and cold water. Towels and basic toiletries such as soap and tissues are provided, and for entertainment and convenience, Eurotel rooms offer a television and a telephone to serve multiple purposes and are an important communication tool for both guests and hotel staff. Access to Wi-Fi is usually available, allowing guests to stay connected during their stay. For safety and security, the hotel has CCTV, and in our room, we have a peephole and a bank vault. Overall, the hotel meets the needs of travelers seeking a comfortable and pleasant experience without extravagant luxuries. It provides a welcoming environment for guests to relax, unwind, and enjoy their stay. For its very affordable price, you can avail and enjoy this hotel room. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye!